It's 8:30 in the morning and we are in dorm. Yesterday we stayed in a dorm. So this is the dorm and there is Abhishek. Abhishek, let's be ready and go for chai. So in the old city of Udaipur, now we will go and have some chai. I think there is one cafe, no? We can sit here and have some chai. We can now it's looking like a wow. I asked the name, what is the name of this? Kachori. What kachori? After having breakfast, we came again into this bridge. Another bridge to see the view. Wow. It's a pleasing like landscape view. Lake, bridges, old town. So after breakfast, I just changed my shirt and Abhishek changed his outfit. Now we are going to Ambari Ghat. Okay. Outside it's the like vibe of the old city. Just sit here and enjoy the breeze and see the lakes, see the city palace and the cityscape. Like I super loved it. We have bath and swim, going to our dorm and backpack our things and move to another destination. Let's go. So we are now checking out from this dorm. We started now our journey to this Bagor ki Haveli. छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज से the world of prophets. So I just came into the world of prophets where people would be fade out. But how do we play this, bro? You know the rule? Okay, I got it. Find you, bro. Long time no see, bro.
Long time no see. How are you?
Where should we show our tickets? Bro. Oh, Saheliyo ki Badi. Nice place, bro. Bro, just capture me. So we are at, sorry, what was the name? Saheliyo ki Badi. So we are at Saheliyo ki Badi.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
See this you?
Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Yes, to visit. And here we can see a beautiful Tal. Tal se Tal mila.
So I asked, what is that?
Yeah, we watch from that side.
Yeah, that is.
We look from that side. Okay. हाँ डाल दो.
डाल दो ग्रीन चिल्ली. तुम्हारा निकल जाए.
स्पून नहीं है. So now we are in that ropeway building. So we are going, I don't know, stairs to the ropeway. We have to go through there. कितना वेट करना पड़ेगा भैया? We are going inside. So bro, let's go. Rock and roll. We are going. We two are going. Let's rock. Yo bro. How are you feeling? Excited?
Excited.
Yeah, excited bro. We can
Really,
see.
I can feel it, bro, when you go that side.
Crazy, why crazy? We can see the lake view and yeah. And the good part is we are like, it's like a private. We two are here. I think when the things will be yeah again. The view is nice, bro. I'm done. Side is a old town city and this side is the new town. Now we are going downside. I'm not done with this view but I have to. Come fast bro.
Send us.
हाँ कोई ना. हाँ bro.
आप अभी तो हो ना.
धीरे धीरे. So Abhishek, how was your experience?
मस्त है भाई, मस्त है.
Wonderful experience.
बहुत
Even
बढ़िया.
we don't get to stay for a while.
You will get the tempting.
We have been in this Nimach Mataji temple, so now our last destination will be the monsoon.
No, bro, it's not
fort.
that.
Yeah.
After that, we will see some other place.
Okay. Yeah, but
We need
the
some place
last
to rest.
plant places is
Yeah,
that.
according
So,
to our plan,
so
I
what
think
shall
we
we
have
do?
visited everything.
Yeah, so I'll be going, bro. We'll meet at the spot. So, like due to our minimal travel, we are different. We have to travel with bikes because bike is cheaper and auto is like triple. So, घूमने आए हूँ अहमदाबाद से. अहमदाबाद में उधर जॉब करता हूँ और ये अभी दिवाली की छुट्टी है तो इस बार घर नहीं जा पाया तो सोचा कि घूम लेते हैं दोस्त के.
में तो अभी वो चल रहा है लफड़ा वहाँ पे.
हाँ वो तो अब ख़त्म हो चुका है. अब तो उधर भी ऐसा त्योहार का माहौल है दिवाली का तो अभी तो सब ठीक है. What? What is this? Heavy traffic in Udaipur. Ha, bro. So what happened? What is happening right now is we don't get to go in monsoon fort because we got late for sunset. And another thing is we were assuming that we will get the train by 11
From this
p.m. from this Udaipur station, but it is not here. It is far away to the next railway station. But luckily we have seen one railway station, one train coming from Jaipur, and that train will come here by 3:30.
3:35.
Yeah, 3:35. So we are planning to roam this Udaipur till 2-3 a.m. So yeah, now we are searching for any street food shop, but I don't know. I don't think there is street foods. I think there will be only restaurants, cafes. Let's search. Look at Abhishek. How sad, how silent he is, and I am exhausted.
Oh, you are
And
lying. I am not sad. I am happy, bro.
Okay, you are happy, but inside he is sad.
For what?
For what? Like for not having a girlfriend. So right now Abhishek will teach me how to say. Why are you looking at me? Bro,
எதுக்குடா என்ன பார்த்துட்டு இருக்க சும்மா வேலையை பாரு.
எதுக்கு என்கிட்ட பார்க்குற பிரஸ்?
Let's leave. Let's
Abhishek now is going to Ahmedabad by walking.
चलो बाय बाय.
Where is Abhishek? Bro, we are here at main station. What we see is
Only food.
only people and food. Bro, what a big place for food. I've never seen such a place like this, bro.
First time.
Yeah, crazy. This is the common space.
Yeah,
we can see
Yeah,
it
bro,
everywhere
this
or what?
whole, yeah, this whole will be owner is one, and these shops are rented to some other people, and this is the common place. Whoever can come and sit.
So we just sit, not order food.
We have to order. See, bro, puri. Fine.
Faluda. I think this is no. Different. See, everybody is having food.
Bro, there are both.
Bro, want to try?
कितना समय? 20 मिनट के लिए.
20 minutes, 20 minutes, 100. 10 number का. La, 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 la. Bro, it's like tomorrow is like Baitika and I'm in India spending time with my friend.
Bro, today also you are in India, bro.
And what did I say?
Tomorrow I will be in India.
No, today what? No, bro. This is
Tomorrow it is something Baitika.
yeah. Tomorrow is
I'll
when
be in
I'm in
India.
India. I'm in India right now. Yes, and this time I couldn't be able to go to my home for Baitika. But yeah, I would say happy Tihar to all the sisters, and yeah, of course I miss my sister. I think little bit off tomorrow, but I will be there by the digital way. Bro, do it fast. Bro, what are you doing? Pedal it.
Bro,
Now we are outside this park. We spent too much here. Now I think we slept like almost an hour. I slept almost an hour. He talked, and now we are walking 7 kilometers away. Since we have time, it's only like 11 p.m. This is happening and it's 12 p.m.
Light is also off.
I guess now everything is going to be off now. It's all and yeah, Abhishek is getting us chai. Thanks Abhishek. Last chai of this night. I think we have reached near railway station.
The coincidence, like where we start,
Yeah.
we came the same way.
So now I don't know. We will be sleeping for a bit, I guess. Almost 2 hours. So our train has come. We have to go at the last deck since we are general. यार which let's see सीट नहीं है क्या वैसे? See, I'm leaving now this beautiful city, Udaipur, and I got no place to sit. I mean, no place to sit. The only place I get to sit is on the floor. So yeah, the train is already starting the way to Ahmedabad, and yeah, only a few lights. It's 8:32 in the morning and we came to this Asabad railway station, the railway station where we start our journey. Now we are here back fully exhausted, and yeah, I got some damage in my legs today, and now we are going to our PG.
There is bus growth.
To sum up this journey was truly unforgettable. We try to keep everything as simple as possible. A minimal budget, pure expectation, and yet what we receive in return were the moment beyond value. From the grandeur of Udaipur palaces to the calm of hilltops, from peaceful corners to the vibrant crowded alleys full of life. Every frame, every step felt like a story unfolding, and somewhere in between all of that, it became memory. A memory that is and will always remain one of the most beautiful moments I've ever had. And with that, the Zama Udaipur Files.